Don't wait for tomorrow. Live for today. Keep chasing the sunshine and go out and play.
What are we doing today? We are going to the barangay hall right now to get a barangay clearance to rent a car. We have a lot of people offering their help to take us to the hospital if Arlene needs to, but it's just always, to me, it's just always better to have your own transportation. So we plan on renting a car for about a week during the time where we feel that the baby is going to be born. So we're on our way. We're walking to the barangay hall right now to get clearance. They just need verification when we're renting the car. They know that we're just not going to take off with it. Next week, which is October 17th, and we're going for her last checkup. I think that day we're going to rent a car. But that's what we're doing today. We have some friends joining us. Ano pangalan mo? All these dogs here, they're Filipino dogs. So every time I'm speaking English to them, they have no clue what I'm talking about because they're born here. All they hear is Tagalog or Bicol. So every time they hear me, they think I'm some sort of foreigner or alien or something. Look, they're still behind me. Okay. So what did we just buy here? We got some French fries. We have some native longanisa. I don't know what that native longanisa is, but we also have beef longanisa. We bought some hot dogs for the kids.
Botido.
Botido. What is that? What is botido?
In between, like maling.
It's like maling, so maling kind of like spam. So we are all set. We're gonna buy some eggs. See the little kids here? The little kids here are just so happy they're just playing with like bicycle tires, really. They play with anything that they can get a hold of, really. It's not necessarily toys. It's like bicycle tires, slippers. What are you playing? What is this? Baklo?
Gulong.
Oh, okay, so.
Gulong.
Gulong. Maybe I'll play that with them sometime. Okay.
May pili-pili.
It's the simple things in life, people. It's the simple things in life. There's Mary Jean right there. She's watching TV and eating some M&M corn puffs. Is it good? Masarap? You follow me? Are you resting? You resting? Good job. Jabel and then Giselle. Okay, so we're at Arlene's cousin's house and I'm finally uploading some YouTube videos and it's taking 27 minutes. And the last time we were here, we went to PC John's, which is like a computer shop like down the street, and it took like, well, it was like 3 hours or something like that, and it was just ridiculous. So I decided to just quit and we grabbed something to eat. And so now we're over here just using my pocket Wi-Fi, and it's a lot faster than going to an internet shop. It's crazy. Okay guys, so I was uploading my videos over at Arlene's cousin's house, but I had no luck. It was at 92%, 7 more minutes left, but it took like 1 hour for that to go by, and it just, you know, it was just taking way too long. Right now we're at the market. We are buying some groceries, and also we're going to get Sky Direct and get cable for Arlene's mother's house. So I think that's going to be kind of cool for her. Her TV's all blurry and everything like that, so she's going to love that. We just got home for what I can say is not a very productive day in regards to doing my work, but just that's only because the internet here is pretty much non-existent, so it's very, very difficult to get some work done here. But anyways, we got a lot of groceries, and right now we're waiting on the cable guy. I decided that it'd be kind of cool to buy Arlene's mom some cable television. I mean, I don't really watch a lot of TV too much. For some of you guys who watch a lot of TV, just imagine watching TV with static. For me, I think that'd be pretty much annoying. So we're waiting for the cable guy, Sky Direct, to come over here to install it. I'm kind of happy to do that for her. Salamat.